Have you ever wondered why real estate agents price homes with the number 9 in the price? Well, there's two main reasons. The first is the psychology of the number 9. When you see 9 at the store, when you're looking at food prices or clothing prices, you're going to notice they use 9 quite often. And it's the same concept with real estate. The number 9 makes it appear one less than the bigger number. So for example, $99,900 for a home price appears to be less than a home priced at $100,000, even though it's only a difference of $10. Now, the second reason besides the psychology of seeing the number 9 is actually it has to do with home search criteria. So a lot of buyers out there have set certain limits that they're willing to spend on a house. And real estate agents go into the MLS system and they set up home searches for their clients. So if a client sets a maximum home price of $100,000, for example, and a seller comes to me and says, I want to price my home at $103,000. I might tell them we could do that, but the one problem with pricing it at $103,000 is you're going to cut off about 25 to 50% of your potential buyer pool, because most of these buyers have set a maximum price in their search system to be $100,000. So if we bring that price down to $99,900, we are ensuring that your home is going to show up when it gets live on the MLS system and get in front of all these extra potential buyers by just bringing the price down a couple $1,000s. And in addition to that, you're also going to get more offers, more bids potentially, which could escalate that price back up above $100,000. So you're going to eventually get the number that you were trying to aim for when you wanted to list that home at $103,000, for example. So those are the two main reasons. Number one, 9s just appear cheaper or less, even though it's only one digit lower than the 0. And then the second reason is it helps you stay underneath certain price levels if people are using whole numbers to set their max limits. So if they're setting 50,000, 150,000, 200,000, we want to come in just underneath that, pricing it at $199,900. That way we can make sure we are getting that house seen by those potential buyers in the MLS system.